Hello and welcome everyone. And I'm Faraz Shaikh with you. And in today's Excel video, we are going to learn something about Power Query in Mac. Yes, you heard me right, my friends. We are going to learn something Power Query in Mac. Currently, it is in phase 1. This is a blog article by the Microsoft team where you can find it on Tech Community. I'll be sharing the link in the below video description. So it's my honor to show it to you, my friends. So let us quickly jump to our Excel sheet. So this is our data set over here, and we have some order dates and we have the product category. So we would just like to summarize a very short data by years and its product category. So let's start doing that. So let me close this workbook, and this is already a new workbook which I have created and saved it on my desktop. So let's go over here, get data from file. So right now in Power Query for Mac, if you're doing it, is only supporting these 4 options from workbook, which should be an XLSX file, text file, XLM file, or JSON. Currently in the Mac, the Power Query editor is not available. The only option what is available for us is that whatever the query you make it on Excel Windows, you can have an ability to refresh it on the Power Query on the Mac version. So if you create a query by using the folders, then it might not work unless this option is available for the Mac. Right now the team is really working hard and making sure that they try to incorporate all these options so everyone can benefit of it. So right now let us look what do we have it. So let's say we have this data, and this is the sales data, import, and we are going to select this order details, and let's click transform. Just to speed up the process, I'll quickly transform the data. Wonderful. So we have this data got loaded over here, and let us save this query. So now whatever the actions I have done in my Excel Windows version is been saved in this workbook. So if I need a Mac user to run the query or update any data and refresh it, which could be possible, and I'm going to show it to you right away. So let's close our workbook over here. So when I'm sharing the file with someone who is a Mac user, I have to make sure that I share the source file and the query file together so that when he receives the file, he can able to refresh it. I have tried it out by keeping it on the SharePoint, and then I have changed the source and it worked perfectly fine. Right now I don't have a SharePoint over here, but we will see that how can we change the destination of the file. So I'm going to move these files to my Mac system right now. So I have a folder over here which says Power Query for the Mac. I can just drop it on my desktop and then I can move it over here. Let us open the Power Query for Mac, and when I will click enable over here, yes, there's an external source. We have to click enable, data, refresh, and I will get this kind of an error. This is nothing but the file path which is there, it has not been set. So what we have to do is just go to the connections, go to change file path, and in this case my file is been kept on the desktop. So I'll select desktop, Power Query, and I will link it to the source which was my sales data. So get data, and we will hit the close button. Now when I'll refresh, you saw that the Power Query has refreshed in the background, and that was super quick. So let's go and add some new data for 2019 and refresh the query on the Mac. So it has automatically taken into the Excel table. Now we'll just save this data, close our workbook, go to our data which is over here, and we'll now just simply go to data and refresh. Let me just expand it and cross your fingers. Refresh. Boom. That was super quick, and we got the sales data for 2019 as well. So this is how we can refresh the queries on the Mac. So you can easily build the queries on Windows and refresh it on the Mac without any hassles. So what do you have to say, Zenzo, about this one? Yeah, Faraz, that is really a brilliant stuff. I really enjoyed watching you that how are you able to do the Power Query on the Mac. And getting the Power Query on Mac, this is like a dream come true. And as you rightly said, this is still in the phase 1. So we are definitely going to see some more amazing phases where we will also get the editor. So the days are not that far. So just keep following us and make sure that you follow the community blog for the latest update on the Power Query for the Mac. Meanwhile, you make sure that you share this video, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and do let us know in the comment section what do you like about this video and what do you like to see more in Power Query for the Mac. We would love to hear from you. Till then, take care. Bye.